The Food and Drink Federation represents food and drink manufacturers, and we do that with politicians and civil servants in law and policy, and we also help businesses when they need to put in place law and policy. So today I was an apprentice at Devro, and I got to learn an awful lot about maintenance and engineering.
Devro is one of the largest manufacturers of collagen edible casings. We supply mostly for the UK and Irish market, but we also supply the rest of the world. Here in Devro, we use apprentices in order to develop and maintain maintenance competences, but also as a source of career progression.
My name is Christopher Hill. I'm the Deputy Maintenance Manager at Devro, Scotland. It was quite a relaxed process, so I spoke to Kyle, who's one of our apprentices. We looked at some of the tasks that he carries out regularly, and we put them together in a bench type situation so that David could firsthand carry out these tasks and he could see firsthand how the equipment works on site.
So today I learned a huge amount about the work that goes on as an apprentice electrician. I got to wire a lamp, I got to test a pump, and I got to check a motor. All of these were fascinating things to be able to do and gave me a bit of insight into the work that apprentices do.
My name is Kyle Nielsen and I am in my 5th year of my apprenticeship at Devro in Moodiesburn. So David, who was my brilliant apprentice for today, we started off doing a two-way lighting circuit, which was a great success, and then we done an ITP control valve converter, and then we finished it off with testing a motor, installation resistance testing and checking the balance of the windings.
So I first came into Devro as an apprentice. I worked up through the shifts. I then became a charge hand, then team leader, and then recently I've just moved into the deputy maintenance manager's role within Devro. Apprenticeships have been vital to Devro. There's currently a shortage of skilled engineers on the market, so this is a great way for companies like Devro to counter that, and it allows us to bring in employees and train them to the required standard.
So my apprenticeship at Devro is a 5-year apprenticeship where the first year you go to a training centre, which kind of breaks up going straight from school into the workplace. You're there with loads of other people that's similar ages to you, that's in the same position. You then come over to your workplace and you're learning on the job while going to college. So it's a good transition from school into the actual workplace. Yep, my apprentice today was a great success. He's got a lot of potential if he chooses to become an engineer.
I felt that today went better than I expected. I had a great teacher in Kyle, and Chris looked after me well, and they helped with their expertise show me what to do. It was a surprise to all of us.
Yep, David done really well. He worked well with Kyle. He was keen to get stuck in, and I think if David had chose engineering as career path when he was younger, he would have been a very competent apprentice.
Apprenticeships are critical for food and drink manufacturing. Large factories like this one at Devro cannot operate without apprentices learning the skills to make sure that the businesses run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.